Give me this food, Nene. Which food? It's my food.
Mama, I didn't give you anything. I
prepare.
I didn't give you. I didn't give you. Mama, stop, oh. Mama, hey, what people know? Mama, stop, oh, stop. I don't like this kind of thing. Stop, I'm not doing this now. If I not stop, okay. Will you beat me? Okay, make I stop. Beat me now. Beat me, Mama. Beat me now. Mama, you tempt me, oh. You tempt me. No, make me do what I go do. You want to tell this food to that Fulefu? That is very man, if Fulefu. Leave him for me. That cannot feed himself. Thank you. Leave him. Give me this food. Mama, now my investment, now you call it Fulefu. Mama, you don't do things. Mama, you don't cross line. Don't do what I go do. People go talk, say, what did they happen? Mama, stop her. What will you do? Now stop her. I don't like her. Will you beat me? Will you beat me? Mama, beat me. Mama, you tempt me. Mama, you tempt me. Mama, you tempt me. Mama, give me this food. Now I don't give you anything. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. What's with this now? What will you do? Nah, what will you do? Mama, stop. Will you beat me? Mama, stop. Mama, beat me now. Hey. Mama, you try me. You try me. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, stop. Mama, what's with this now? Let me know. What's with this? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed that Fulefu? That is very sim they're calling boyfriend of yours. If not, they made it. A man who's supposed to go out and hustle and give you food. You're the one taking your mother's food to go and give to him. Mama, I like her. Mama, now my investments, now you they insult like this. Mama, where the right time for law, for Nigerian law, say, now man where they marry woman, I ain't going to take care of her. Mama, I get shop. Mama, I get business. And as my husband know anything, I go run now. I go take care of her. Now be you tell me, now you take care of my papa. I reject it. Now you take care of my papa. I reject it. Okay. In the name of Jesus Christ. The Bible. Mama, give me your bed. What is this? Mama. So bad. You will come back and meet me in this house. You are not ashamed of yourself, Nene. Your men are bringing wealthy men. Men with cash, money, Your men are bringing wealthy men to their families. You are bringing a Fulefu that cannot feed himself. Then how are you sure that if such man married you, he will be able to feed? He will be able to put food on the table for you. You watch him, meet him. I'm not going to meet him. Limited. My baby.
My baby. The only baby that can break a bank for my sake.
I know.
How are you?
Negodung okay. Odogum. Hi. My beautiful man. You're beautiful for me. Oh.
Say that again.
My beautiful man now. I don't speak on way. Do they correct me? I know they like that.
For the sake of English language that grows. I know you're allowed to speak. But you don't describe a man as beautiful. Yes. You describe a man as handsome. And you describe a woman as beautiful. Describing a man as beautiful is grammatically incorrect.
Support! Support the English! You see, what they sweet me for this matter, they say, the money why they put for your school, no, they waste. You could just speak the English, you could just sweet me for See, I know say in the next 2 months now you go graduate. If you come graduate for my shop, I go put down, hey, Nana, the girlfriend of graduates.
Very funny. Speaking about the shop, why are you not at the shop? It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning.
Not be my mama.
What happened?
Now so, show. This morning I wake up, she can't drag this food why I won't bring for you. So I no go come bring the food for you. Now I overpower her. You don't trust me. I overpower her. Ha! Strong girl like me. I beg take this food now. I full am so that it go reach you morning to afternoon. Take it. It's my beautiful, my handsome man. In the evening, you go come my shop, make I prepare you indomie and give you minerals when you belly full.
I love you.
I love you too. Oh, I love you. I love you well. See, as your papa die now, you don't leave you with better thing. Everybody die, your mama die, your papa die. Only you can't die. As I don't promise myself, say, as long as I live, I go to take care of you. You know, say when you finish this your school, you go become first. You know, go be last.
Nene. Do you know I tell people you are my Messiah? Like, what would I have done without you in this world?
You for die, yo. See, you're hungry for finish you. No worry. As long as I live, you no go suffer.
Chai.
See, I go do even make a go rob bank nana because of you. I go do am. Make them jail me because of you.
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah. So small.
Yeah.
You don't do. Mark on the go shop.
Okay.
I go make money.
All right.
For us. Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too.
Mm.
Hey, you don't do. Take care of yourself, oh.
I will. Nene.
Baba God, as I don't come this morning, make customers they flock in from everywhere. Make I sell all this market in Jesus' name. Amen. Bless my market today. Baba God, bless my market. I use this holy water to bring customers to my shop. Customers go begin the flow. Evil eyes no go touch my shop. In the mighty name of Jesus. As I sprinkle this holy water, oh, customers, plenty customers. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Evil people no go reach my shop. Sprinkle this. Hey, okay, sorry.
Young lady, what have you done?
No vex. No be ordinary water. No worry. Now holy water. I dey sprinkle holy water for my shop every morning. Make evil eyes no near my shop. I beg, no vex.
What are you saying? What useless holy water are you talking about? You splash water on me and you are talking about holy water?
Well, I don't tell you sorry now. I not be useless water. This is holy water. Holy water from my church. Who shall be useless? Oh, God, take am easy. I am sorry. No, you are sorry. No vex.
Keep your silly apologies to yourself. Do you know the cost of this outfit? You just messed it up for me.
Oh, God, you rude. You not be small. You no sabi talk to person. I never tell you sorry. Like say devil dey your body. I go use this my holy water, take kill all the demon wey dey for inside your body. Oh, you begin to come off my shop.
Seriously?
Leave my shop, Oga.
You splashed water on me and you are accusing me of being possessed of evil spirit?
I go use Psalm 35 follow you up. Oga, come off from my shop. Holy Ghost, fire! Holy Ghost, fire! Fire!
Are you serious right now?
You still there?
You're very rude, and I'll be back for you. You are rude.
Fire!
In fact, you are demented.
Fire! Dementation! Holy Ghost! Fire! Come over here! You be demon! Ah! Fire you there! Demon! Can you imagine? What would make I get bad market this morning? Mama, what is going on?
There was enough food in this pot before I went to Kiri's house. I came back to eat only for me to see this pot empty. Where's my food, Mama? Your sister has done it again. She packed everything in this pot to her boyfriend. And I tried to stop her. But she overpowered me and ran away. She even pushed me. I fell down.
Really? Nene pushed you down?
She pushed me down.
What? She packed all the whole food we were supposed to eat the whole day to her boyfriend. Mama, this whole thing has to stop. It has to stop. I can't stop myself and cook in this house. When it's time for me to eat my food, I just find the airport empty. I should just keep my food like this, Mama.
Buto, calm down.
Mama, wait. You remember I cooked this food before going to Kiru's house this morning, right?
Yes.
So it's now time for me to eat my own food. I just find this pot like this. Is it fair?
It's not fair. Buto. Nene will meet me in this house. She will come back and meet me here. Inanu, as you can see, I'm already preparing another food for us to eat. Buto.
Mama, stop telling me to Buto. Stop telling me to calm down. This thing Nana is doing is too much. See, we are not going to wait for her to come back and meet us here. I'm going to that shop to confront her. Yes, all this nonsense has to stop. I'm going there to meet Nene. You see this nonsense is going to stop here and there. Wait, I'm just trying to see
Oh, umaka ge bukwanunum. Chai Nene.
Officer, yes. This is the idiot that splashed water on me.
What did I do?
Insulted me and accused me of being possessed by 7 demons. She didn't stop there. She even chased me out away with the same water, invoking the instrument of Psalm 35 from me.
What?
Can you imagine that?
Madam, you're under arrest for assault.
Assault?
Yes. You have the right to remain silent. That whatever you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I'm not for assault. Now even holy water I pour am na by mistake. Oh, you be demon, you be devil. No be I never beg you, I not tell you so. Why you go call Olokpa come? Why you go call
Officer, what are you waiting for? Arrest the jail. Let's get out of here. Are you running away just because of fat? Arrest her, let's go.
You really be demon. You be demon.
That's disgusting.
Another holy water I pour, you go call police. That. The devil when they inside you thick where he's strong. I don't know. I don't go call my investor make it save me from this nonsense.
If you like, invite your investment and achievement at the same time. All I know is that you're sleeping in police net today. Take it from me.
Go carry me now. Go carry me. Come now, I'll give you another.
What are you doing? What's she doing? This is not why I brought you here. Arrest her.
Nene is in trouble. Someone brought police officers to arrest her. Sure.
Wait, calm down. Nene is in trouble.
Very big trouble.
Somebody
Police officers!
Somebody brought police officers to arrest her.
Yes.
For what? What happened?
I don't know.
My Nene? Hold on.
Let's go!
I get investment now. Yeah, I must make it sure.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
No, Ikem, I am pressed. I need to go inside the bush and ease myself before
I'm sorry about that. But you know I can't wait for you. I have to quickly find out what the problem is.
No problem. Just be going. I will join you soon,
Alright,
okay?
no problem.
I will join you.
Alright.
Go.
Waiting you they use money do joy. I tell them come and see my investment. Joy. Come and see my heart rock. Come and see my ride or die. Now him the job for my money.
Come and eat. Let me see. You get it going now, stupid idiot.
What sort of a lazy officer are you? We've been here for almost 30 minutes and you've stood there doing nothing. Break down this protector and arrest this miscreant. Let's leave here.
Break which door?
Break it!
You won't put me for trouble? I know they carry police work for head. She no be thief. I go break into her shop, arrest her. She no be thief. Let's wait for her.
Who is that sophisticated barbarian making trouble?
Sopo, my investment.
I hope they didn't touch you.
Did they mad? Did they grace?
Young man, who are you?
My name is Ikem. I'm an incoming legal luminary. How can I help you?
This young woman assaulted this young man with water.
I no pour and salt oh. Now holy water wa pour am. I no pour and salt and na by mistake.
Young man, do you have an evidence to prove she assaulted you with water?
Don't touch me.
Young man, do you have an evidence to prove she assaulted you with water? Because I just touched your shirt and it's not wet.
What sort of stupid question is that? You don't expect that my shirt will still be wet till now? This happened a couple of hours ago.
Now listen to me. When it comes to law, evidences are stronger than explanations. And as we speak, you do not have an evidence to prove that she assaulted you with water in the court of law. Do you?
So you expect
Listen
my
to
clothes
me.
to be wet forever?
Do you have video footages? Do you have pictures to show that she assaulted you with water? No, you don't. Officer, you have no case here. I'm sorry. But if you want to make trouble, meet me in court and make sure you come with your lawyer.
Let's go. But let me remind you, you've not seen the last of me.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. I know. No, don't need to close the door. Don't bring them.
I must make it sure that he is a man, no matter what he needs.
I do am under burress.
Under come the invest money.
Meet us for court.
Everything I mean.
My baby, my investment in our sewing English. In our sewing English. You are sewing in English.
I tell them come and see my investment. Come and see my heart up. Come and see my ride or die.
Mama, come back. Our food is back. Oh. Yes. Our food is back. Come back, come. Hey, Mama, come and see it. The food is back. Come back, Mama, our food is back. Hey, this is the food I cooked this morning. Mama, come and sit. Let's enjoy our food. Mama, come. See my food.
Children.
Mama.
Children.
Mama. Sit down.
How did you get the food back?
Oh, Mama. You're asking the right question at the wrong time. How I got this food is not the problem. The only thing is that our food is here. Let's enjoy. Come to chair. I'm coming. Nene. Hi. Have your spoon. Enjoy our food. Chop meat. All this meat is for you. Chop meat. my food. You not touch you. Fool all of us in this house. It's not happen.
So you need to understand that customers are always right. Do you understand? When your sister came here to cook, wait. Where's your sister? I haven't seen her since she came here.
I wonder, I'm not seeing her for shop now. Maybe you thought she come here.
Yes, see, on our way to the shop, she told me that she was having a running stomach, that she needed to use the toilet. But did she not come back to the shop?
Don't come back anything, I don't see her.
Okay. So as I was saying, customers are always right.
What's happen? What's happen?
The food you brought for me.
Which food? The food I bring for you?
Yes, the one you brought. I left it on the bench.
You left them? Who can carry them?
I don't know. Yeah, but your sister... I left the food on the bench. So I was about eating when your sister rushed in and said you were being arrested by the police.
Wait. Match am down first. The flags been there here before you and my sister come out.
Yes, I dropped it on the ground and I rushed in to turn off the stove. Then when I came out, I asked her to... I said, we just rushed to the shop.
So why she not follow you come my shop?
I wouldn't know. I remember she said she was having a running stomach. I told you before.
I dey come.
Come now.
I dey come.
Where are you going?
I dey come.
Nene? Nene, what happened now? Why is she running like that? What happened to the food flask? Who took it? And the food inside? Hi. Oh. It is possible Nene's sister saw it and recognized the flask. And she took it. But my food is inside now. What do I eat now? I'm so hungry. Oh.
Are you going mad? Enough with your lama, I don't mad. Now to remove cloth remain. This idiot, when they call my sister collect food from my investment, you dey mad? You dey crazy?
I use our food to do investments.
Okay, you know me they talk to me on radio. You get MP3 where they your pocket where they talk. Now me they talk to you. You follow me the yarn. You follow me the yarn. Take time. Then I take time. Don't let me lose it on you. Don't let me lose it on you. Mama lose them. Because I don't lose them. Mama, you dey support injustice. You dey support this your stupid daughter, Mama. You be politician. All these politicians will go promise us tomorrow. They no go do anything they go do. Mama, okay, now me they talk to. You dey follow me they talk. You dey go hide for back.
Say you. See who is talking about injustice. What do you know about justice and fairness? When people talk about injustice and justice, you talk.
Mama, ask her.
Look at you. So you want to kill your only sister, your sister, because of a stranger.
Mama, who is the cost stranger?
That efulefu.
My investments. Odogum, now you the cost stranger.
Investigate. Sister, you get mine though.
You
get mine. Pack all our food to that your broke ass boyfriend. Find my no money. You are here telling us investment.
Mama, my boyfriend, you dey come find my no money.
No, you find my no money before. No, you find my no money before.
You get money. I dey come.
Come now, come. Tomorrow from you. Come and hit me like I see.
Don't panic, I'm here. Nana, if you try it, if I'm Mama, is it your sister that you're carrying knife for?
No, Joya.
You want to kill her? Mama, do that. Good afternoon, Mom. Mama, my fair. Mom.
now my sister. I get sister. I get sister. I never see you. I never see you. Let me talk to her. Let me talk to her. Makana, what is it I'm getting?
Look at you. See your friends.
Nene, if what your mother said over there is true, that means you're wrong. How could you pack everything in your house to go and give your boyfriend? Makagini, because of what?
Because now my investments. Now my bobo, my fine bobo. See, now only me gets for this life. You no get papa, you no get mama, you no get brother, you no get sister. Now only me gets. The only thing when he inherits from his papa, now his son name. Now why I will continue to take care of him, whether the devil like him or not, I will continue to anything when you want, I will give him. From what your mother said, you took everything inside the pot to Ikem. Nobody's asking you not to take care of your man, but not at the expense of your family. Do you want your mother and sister to starve? Shut up. You do like English. Now my problem with you. Do they like English? When I want to starve, go. You don't go my kitchen. You don't go our kitchen. If you see the food stuff waiting for that kitchen, you said you go bow. Just this small food, very small. How many meat? Just 3 meats. 3 meats I carry go give my boyfriend. Now everybody they shout one kill me put on top. You see that my sister? I go kill her one day. I swear to God, I go kill her.
Some people are so local that they don't know their worth as a woman.
Now me you they talk to. No, listen. Now me you they yarn that kind yarn to.
Did I call your name?
Who they call loco? Who they call loco? You they crazy?
I didn't call your name.
See Lizzie.
You know say you did bad place.
Did I call her name?
You did bad place.
Stop. Stop it.
You know Lizzie now.
See this one. Ngama lizard.
I beg, Lizzie alone. I beg. Do you know where we came?
What's happened?
You were not in your shop now. What happened? Why you not open?
My sister Toridio. Things what happened for my shop today. Not be smart, you know. In fact, now for come meet me for police station. If not for my investment, see why I love that my investment. My baby, my fine baby. Now he save me. If not, now police station now come meet me.
What's happened?
Waiting my eyes see, my mouth cannot talk at it. In fact, I did under Bures. I'm telling you, under Bures today. Bures ekwa.
Waiting be Bures.
Bures now. Now waiting my investment and the police officer call him. Under Bures. Wait, Onene. Don't tell me what you're trying to say is under Durex. Wham! This girl today do like big every time. My friendship. But you see that my sister go kill her for her. You see, I go put her for you, I go kill her. I go make sure say you waiting. What did I do? I go do her. Why no go kill her? Now your sister. Under Bures in there. Why you promise me? Best friend.
Stop now. What is this now? See, listen, I don't want your trouble this morning. Just allow me pass. Biko.
Ikem, why are you this stubborn? Why? Why can't you see that? You're not in the same class with that dirty girl called Nene. Why can't you see that? Eh? Or is it because of the peanuts she gives you? Is that why a cute undergraduate of law like you will stoop so low to date a girl that can't even write her name? Ordinary name she cannot write. Ikem, look at me. Look at me. I am offering you myself on a platter of gold and you're rejecting me. Why? Hey, Ikem, look at your dressing and look at mine. Did you see the opening on my dress? So classy and clean. We don't dress like all these village people.
So classy and clean.
Listen, Nene did not go to school. Yes, she cannot write her name. But she's a good woman. And that's what matters. She pays my bills. Listen to me. She's a very, very good woman. Since my parents died, she has been taking care of me. Be careful, oh. I can never leave her. I'll never betray her.
You're not betraying her.
Don't touch me.
Hey, you're not betraying her, my darling. You're merely following your class. He came. Imagine the both of us as lovers, holding hands, walking around the village. People will admire us and scream, "Wow! These guys are so cute!" But when they see you with that Nene, they pity you because they wonder what a cute guy like you is doing with such a dirty girl. Can't you see? Eh?
Wow! You're so cute! Will you pay my bills? Eh? Will you pay my school fees? Will you pay my school fees? It's a question.
I will try.
Listen to me. Be careful. I don't want to have this conversation again.
Okay.
And remember I said I cannot betray Nene. She's the love of my life. She's my messiah. She takes good care of me. And listen to me. We have stayed too long here having this conversation. Do you understand me? So I want to go now because I don't want anybody to see me and you and tell her.
I like standing with you. I like being with you. Let's stand around you.
Please stop now. Can you behave yourself? Am I the only man in this village?
I cannot behave myself.
Please move away, Gerald.
Eh? It's not my photo, it's the photo of love.
Stop him. Am I the only man in this village? What nonsense is this?
Look at the bondage someone has put himself because of money. I'm sure he doesn't love Nene. He's just following her because of her money. How I wish I had money. I would have liberated him from Nene's bondage. I so much love him. He should be my boyfriend instead, not that dirty fool.
Is that not Ikem that I'm saying there? And what is Lizzie doing with him?
Of course. She's trying to seduce Ikem, Nene's boyfriend. Knowing fully well that guy means the world to Nene. I've always known that girl to be desperate, but I never know she's a snitch. How can she do this? Knowing that Ikem is Nene's boyfriend.
Did you just say boyfriend? Ikem is Nene's investment. No little boyfriend. Ikem is Nene's everything. In fact, Ikem is Nene's word. And Lizzie knows this, so why is she doing this? See, we really need to caution this girl. Before things get out of hand, you know how Lizzie can be.
How? Yes, you're right. I agree with you. Nene is our friend. And whenever something like this is happening, we need to do something to stop it. Let's stop Lizzie before she takes away the only man that means the world to Nene. Let's go.
That's why you're not wearing the oversized dress. Where are you going dressed like Johnson?
I beg, leave me. I beg, not consign you. If I like make a dress like Johnson or Undertaker, I'm not consign you.
What are we going to be eating today? You didn't drop money to contribute to support for the cooking of today.
Oh, Mama Chelugodo. So now you don't confirm and say I dey add money for us to chop for this house. You don't agree say I dey contribute, abi? But if I want carry food, go give my fine bobo my investments, you go dey quarrel me. How they take talk that talk, sef? Person wey no allow him mama sleep, me himself no go sleep. As you no allow my fine bobo shop, I know they drop 1 naira for this house again.
Yeah, Nene, you must be joking. Do you think I'm here to beg you? I am not begging you. Nene, you must contribute the welfare of this family. You must put money down. Yes, that's the reason we opened that provision store, that shop. I handed it over to you to handle. It's a family business. Yes, and agreement was that you will contribute to the welfare of this family. And if you think you have grown so big, you are no longer interested, you are not ready to abide by the agreement, then you hand over the keys.
Which keys?
The shop key.
Shop key.
Yeah.
Mama. Mama, I don't know if you be natural comedian. Mama, you dey joke. Oh. You be natural comedian. It's not you supposed to do show for this our city. Mama, this money una dey yarn so say una give me money. How much be the money? 40,000 naira. Now una give me take one start shop. Mama, you don't look that shop lately. You don't go see that shop. Now my money, now in the inside that shop. The 40,000 una give me, una don't chop am. Like this, Mama. Story. Upworm. Move. We move, Mama.
Nene. Da. Nene. Nene, don't start what you cannot finish. Don't start what you cannot finish. Oh. If it's your boyfriend, you will ask him if you need more. But when it comes to the welfare of this family, you become more calculative than Okonjiwala. Nene, I am sending your sister to the shop for you to give her money. And if you do not abide to what we agreed on, trust me, I personally will come to that shop. I will lock up that shop and I'll go with it. Enough wala. It's only 40,000. It's your money. What happened with the gain? Since you have been trading with the 40,000, does it mean that you have not made any gain? Plenty money. You must be very stupid. Jana Namabia, let me send your sister your friend to give her money. And you see the other side of it.
You are blocking my way like a masquerade. What's the meaning of this?
You are very, very wicked. You are very wicked. You tricked me yesterday. You came back and collected the food your sister gave me to eat. Do you know how hungry I was? How wicked can you be?
Ikem, point of correction. Our food, my own sister, brought to your house yesterday. How can you say I came to your house to lure you out? When you got to my sister's shop, did you see the police officers or not? Did you see them the police officer I told you they came to arrest her? Didn't you see them at the shop? Ikem, please, leave my way. I want to go home.
You are very wicked. You see, this is why nobody has come to get married to you. Because you're cold-hearted and very wicked. Yesterday, you tricked me. You lured me into going out. You said, oh, some policemen were there to arrest your sister. I went out to control the situation. Only for me to come back. And I saw that you took away the food your sister gave me to eat. How wicked can you be? How heartless can you be?
Ikem, you are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed of yourself. And I have respected you enough as my sister's boyfriend. Oh, a woman brought their food to you. And you opened this your hand like akokoko, accepted it, Ikem, and you're here telling me rubbish. When your mates are the one feeding their girlfriend's family, your own is to sit and be fed by the girl you claim you love. Ah, Ikem, you're not ashamed of yourself. Yes, I took the food. I took our food home because it's our food. Ikem, and I have no single regret of doing that. The only advice I have for you is, Ikem, go and work and stop being lazy. Go and walk, Ikem.
Listen to me.
Go and walk. Find man with empty pockets.
Let me tell you something. I'm only tolerating you because you're Nene's sister. I will allow you leave because you're Nene's. If not, I would have given you a dirty slap. I would have dealt with you.
Upe.
You little cockroach coming to rub shoulders with me. Are you crazy?
Ikem, I don't have your time and I have respected you as a man, but go and walk. Go and walk and stop being lazy. Leave my way.
Nana, leave me, oh. I don't wear belt. You gonna get me, oh.
Like shout.
Nana, you gonna get me, oh.
They carry you go Igwe Palace. Make I go report everything where you do. You won't make my business fall up.
You see this dressing why I dress like this? I wear knicker and my boots. See, I dey go carry all the people they owe me money today. I will fight everybody today.
So
you must give me my money.
So Nana, because of ordinary 625 naira, that's why you want to drag me to Igwe's Palace.
Yes.
So if I dey owe you 5,000, you go report me to Guwabu.
You never see anything.
You will take me to the shrine, Abi?
Yes.
Nana, leave me alone. Leave me.
See, I go give you a pack.
You're embarrassing me, oh.
I will give you a pack.
But Nene, I told you to have patience that I will pay you tomorrow.
Okay, your voice will go down. But you drag with me.
Nene, you're embarrassing. Just look at me.
Where look.
Nene. Nene, you're gonna get me, oh.
Okay, you won't fight me. You won't fight me.
See how they look me.
You don't use to say the
Nene, see how they look me. I beg you now.
Give me my 625 naira.
I'm not hell. What's I go do?
I go tear your cloth. I go tear your
Nene, let me embarrass, Abi. Let me embarrass, Nene.
You know they go.
Nene, let me embarrass.
You know they go any. I go bite you. I go bite you. I go bite you.
Nene, you have succeeded in embarrassing me. Friends are not involved. Nene, you.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Hey, young lady, you again. Why are you always in the mood to fight all the time?
Oh, thank you, sir. I don't even say you know him. I don't say you know this person.
You dey make noise. I go give you 5. I go give you 5.
Nene, you.
Oga, this no concern you. You know say me and you get issue before. But no, that will not be the matter now. This stupid boy, don't they owe me 625 naira for 6 months now. Okay. See, look my dressing wear. I don't write down all the people where they owe me. Today, I go collect all my money. Now you be number 1 for my list. Number 1.
If you not be my friend, girlfriend,
Hey.
Me stupid.
Young man, why will you be owing someone 625 naira for the past 6 months?
Thank you.
Oga,
and a businesswoman at that.
You know here and where. She said almost 6 months. It never reached 6 months. It never reached 6 months.
Shut up. Are you not supposed to be ashamed of your actions?
I am, sir. Very, very ashamed.
What?
Young lady, please, leave him.
Leave waiting. He must give me my money before I go leave.
No, you go there. You don't hear something?
Hey, don't start.
Okay, you won't touch me. You won't touch me.
See, listen, leave him. Can you let him go?
No, make him give me my money. Make him give me my money. Let him go where?
I'll pay for him. Leave him go.
Give me the money. Give me 625 naira.
This why they hear something.
Take. This is 1,000 naira. You can keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Nana, you!
Come on.
Nana, you!
Why are you shouting? Just go.
Let me just tell you. Waiting give you now 1,000 naira. Keep my change and they come collect them.
Hey.
Nana, keep my change. See me. You don't. Nana, hey. No wahala.
What kind of a person is this one?
Now, person where say make I leave. Now be that. Can you imagine?
Hey, hold on. You see, I think I like your hustling spirit.
Listen, you might be troublesome, but you hustle?
No, they spin me. I get boyfriend. I get my investment. I get boyfriend. No, come they give me that eye. No spin me. I bet no spin me.
Far from that. What's your name?
My name is Nene.
Nene. My name is Hillary. Actually, I'm not from this community.
No wonder. That's why you dey vex. You just dey vex up and down. I be better person. Let me be the most better person for this village. Yes. You don't know Nene. If you don't know Nene, you don't know anybody for this village.
Well, let me complete the introduction. I'm an engineer. Yeah, I'm the one supervising the project around the village square.
That tall house?
Exactly.
For around that village square?
Yes.
Ewu. You dey do things so? That house fine. Anytime when they pass village square, I go dey admire that house. The house fine, yo.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
You know, say every day I go dey pray to God, say I wish, say I feel my business feel boom, make I reach this your level. Your car fine. Maybe this car you carry come that day now. How many cars you get?
No, don't bother about that. I have quite some cars.
Hey.
Listen. You don't need to bother about that. You're already on the path to making wealth. Okay? You're a hustler.
Yes, sir.
So all you need now is wisdom, consistency, and empowerment. very soon. Boom.
Now that
You'll be there.
empowerment program I dey look for. Yes, so if I just get that empowerment now, God do one for me and my business blow. You don't know me, I go get money past yourself.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
So you're actually looking out for empowerment?
Yes, sir.
You mean if you see a place where you can get a loan, you will go for it?
Sharp, sharp. Not wasting time.
That's fine.
If I see who go give me money now, make my business fee boom. Now what for you? Now what to you? Now what before you? I don't go. I don't go.
You're very funny. Okay. Listen. Now that we are friends, right? I will look out for that for you. If I see any organization that will be willing to give you loan, I'll let you know.
You go help me?
Sure, I can do that for you.
It is say we'll be enemies, so. But we'll be friends. We'll be friends.
That was there. So we can now be friends now, right?
Yes, sir. As long as in our business, we'll be friends.
So where are you headed?
I dey go by shop.
Come in, I can drop you.
No, I don't want to shop. Not my shop in that place.
Don't worry, I can drop you. Let's go.
Wait, make I collect my book. My book where I put right people, they owe me. You say I drop or make a feel holder.
Why fighting?
Me? Never know me before. You know, say that man won't fight with me, so I have to keep my teeth so I will fight her.
Next time, stop me. You see the other side of me. Bless you,
Yeah? What is it? Again, who did you quarrel with?
Mama, is it not that stupid old fool that calls himself my sister's boyfriend? He came. That has the audacity to confront me on the road and start saying all sorts of things. Just talking rubbish because I took what rightfully belongs to us.
Huh? And you did not break his head. You should have looked for a good solid wood, Okaraka, and break that his head.
I'll do that next time, Mama.
You will break his head.
Next time.
You will break his head so that your sister can be free from his bondage.
That will be next time. I will do that.
He must be mad. That man is shameless, oh. I hope he didn't touch you.
Touch me? Omengule? Onapwala. Hey, Mama, trust me now. If he tries that, I'll just drag that his two bulbs out. Trust me.
Oh, you didn't know?
Mama.
Oh, you didn't know? Oh, you didn't, Mama. Bam, 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 bam. Next time he blocks you, you see that tingly thing in between that two legs, eh? Imeyen people. People, yeah. So that your sister can be free from his bondage.
I will do that.
Yes, Mama. Next time you people here, he must be a madman. Hey! So, that means without his girlfriend's food, without our food, he cannot survive.
Exactly, Mama. Exactly. Over shameless, they worried that man.
Chai.
Just imagine.
Chai.
Over shameless,
Chai.
they worried he came.
Chai.
But Mama, trust me. I gave it to him, front and back.
I
opened my mouth, Mama. I talked to him. I told him you are a lazy man. Fine man, no money. I told him, go and work and stop depending on your girlfriend family's food to survive. Bam. Go and work, he came, you are a lazy man.
Let him go and look for it. At least with this one, let him go get depressed with this one.
Mama,
go inside and have your breakfast.
Your own mouth even smell
foolish man. Hey! Nah, some men are not ashamed though. A whole man without your girlfriend's food, you cannot survive. To fear motorcycle. Joe.
Nene didn't open her shop this morning. It's almost 9 a.m. It's over.
Thank you, God bless you. Bye. My investments.
Nene?
My beautiful man.
Nene, who was that? Is that not the same man who almost got you arrested that day?
Nah, the man, nah. Now the man a better person. Oh.
Wait, what were you doing in his car?
No, now which one be what I do for him car? The man won't help me. You feel borrow me money. You feel upgrade my shop. The man won't give me plug where be say go give me money make I take upgrade my shop. They go borrow me the money later go give them the money.
So what's your relationship with him?
What do you mean by what you dey talk like this? You want this and they cheat on you. I know if he cheat on you now. Which kind talk? I know they like that kind talk. You want me hungry kill us? Why you dey talk like this? I know they like that kind talk. That's say you no trust me.
So why was he looking at you like that?
You this
man. Nene, tell me now. What? See the way he was looking at you. Why was he looking at you?
You
like
rest. Rest. Calm down. Rest.
Did you say that man wants to give you a loan?
Yes, now. The man gets person wey go fit borrow me money. Say any amount where I want. So far say I want use and do my business. So that my business go big. I go upgrade my business. Say the man he go carry me go the place. Say he see me as a very hard-working girl. Say he won't help me. The man a better person, no. Now better forget that thing wey happened that time for our shop here. The man be like say devil possess him, but they don't do an deliverance. Now better person. He say he go help me.
Nene? I'm thinking of something.
You no get problem when not get solution. Tell me, I feel solve for you.
I know you need the money to expand your business, like you said.
Yes, sir.
But on the other hand, you also need to think like a businesswoman.
I don't understand.
Do you know that if you send me abroad now with the money, I can go there and start working and make a lot of money for us? Yes. If you use the money to buy my ticket and get my visa, I travel abroad. I can work for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, make a lot of money and send to you. You can even pay back the loan.
I be quiet. Now you they talk. I be na drum dey your ear where they talk. What you dey come out for you? What you dey vomit for your mouth? Make I use money when I want take upgrade my business and you dey here that the complain say my business they go down. Now why I want borrow this money? Make I use the money take send you abroad. Wait, and this if I send you go abroad, only me you come to suffer for this village. I want take pay the money back.
Allow me land first. Listen to me. Hey
Kem, what do you want talk?
See, I want you to reason like a businesswoman. International businesswoman, not just locally. Because the business you are doing now is a local business. But if you send me abroad, you're now doing international business. Now listen to me. $1,000, 1,000 US American dollars is equal to 1 million naira. So if you do the maths, and I work for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, that is 1 month, we can pay back the loan. I can even come back from America, get married to you, do your visa, buy your ticket, and we travel together.
The way where you just vomit this talk, they sweet for your mouth. You put juju for mouth, clean am, you no go work for me. You no go fit work. You no go work.
Nene.
Then they come pick money for abroad. Why they talk like say we no know what? Because I be village girl.
Nene.
I know what they happen. No, they talk
Nene.
this kind of talk.
I am very informed. I read every day. I know the exchange rates. As a businesswoman, you need to invest. Invest wisely. If you send me abroad now, and I go and work for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, that is 1 month. Do you know how much you'll be making? $1,000 is equal to 1 million naira. Times 2 months, times 3 months.
Wait. Oh, this thing where they talk, they do me heat. Like say fire, they come up from my head. Wait, so make I understand something first. Hey, this thing they like say na Tales by Moonlight. You they want try to tell me say 1,000 naira.
$1,000, not naira. $1,000 can give you 1 million Nigerian money. 1,000 American money will give you 1 billion Nigerian money. Think like a businesswoman.
international businesswoman.
See, I beg. We go talk this one later. This talk where they talk, you confuse me. I get come later. Oh, this school why they send you, like say you don't they read book. You don't they confuse you. I'm not gonna give you money for this your school again because
got into that.
I'm
just telling you
$1 million
how to upgrade.
Why you got dollars? You don't see dollars before. 1 million. Wait, make I give you.
I dey making money, but I get investment. No, I must make it sure that he is a man, no matter what.
But it's not funny. It's not funny at all. That woman almost killed me today. If you see the way she was dragging me around like a common criminal, she will push me to this way. You must pay me my money. Give my money today. You stupid madam, calm down. Go. You pay me. You came here to drink. You didn't do this one. I will pay you later. For where? My brother, let me ask you. How do you relate with such a violent woman? How?
So, are you done?
I'm done.
Nene is not a violent woman. Nene is not a troublesome woman. Yes, I said it with my full chest. It is people like you that get her upset. And when she reacts, you begin to call her a bad person. Soma, how can you be owing somebody for over 6 months? Yet you have refused to pay. But you drink beer every day. Don't you know she has business to run?
And to take care of you as well. Yes, now, let me help you and complete the statement. It's not why you're supporting her. No, it's not why you are supporting her. I am here telling you that your wife almost killed me. And you are here supporting her. Okay, think we don't know. Ikem, you are saying all these things because she is your benefactor. Let us face the truth now. That woman is your sponsor and you are aware of it.
She is my messiah. She's my all and all. She's my alpha and omega. What else? But it doesn't change the fact that you are owing her. My friend, pay her money. She has business to run. You need to pay her money. She's upset now. Eh?
Brother, you're correct. It's true. It's true. That woman wasn't wrong at all. The problem is that whenever I remember who I spent that money on, I get so angry. I get so mad. Whenever I remember that incident on that very day. Hey! The month is very good, right? Confirm. Chop my money. Woo! Be fast. They just brought the light now. My AC is on. The room is chilled. Woo!
So Martina, I don't understand. Are you trying to insult me because of this cheap biscuit and malt you bought for me? Did you bring me here to insult me? Huh? What is let's go? They just have I not seen light before?
No, Lizzie, what's all this now? No, what are you talking about? Lizzie, don't start though. I beg you, don't just start. I invited you to my house. You agreed to come. Listen, we got here and you complained of hunger. That you must eat something before we continue our journey to my house. I said, okay. That since we are close to Nene's shop, let us branch so that I will buy you biscuit and malt for you to eat and have strength for us to continue our journey. Now you are done eating and drinking. The next thing is enough for you to follow me to my house. What's this question all about now? Why are you stressing me? Why are you making people to hear my voice?
You are either stupid, mad, or both of them. You want us to go to your house and talk and discuss. Discuss what? We have been talking here for almost 1 hour. You want us to go and continue talking in your house? Am I a storyteller? What is there to talk about? Lizzie. Because of malt and biscuits.
Lizzie, you are bigger than this. Lizzie, look, don't start though. I beg you, don't start. We had an agreement. An agreement is agreement. Anywhere in any law court, agreement is agreement. Did we agree that after eating and drinking, you follow me to my house? Why are you stressing me now? Why are you making people to hear my voice?
You are too neat to be called a madman, but you're acting like a madman. So Madina, you begged me to come to your house, to spend some time with you that you enjoy seeing my pretty face. I refused. You kept begging, you kept pleading that you wanted us to discuss. I said, okay, we are discussing. Are we not discussing? You want us to go to your house and continue discussing? Discussing what? Do I want to write a novel? Eh? I can see you have ulterior motive behind your invitation.
Lizzie.
So Madina, you must be stupid to think I'm one of all these village champions you can lure to your bed with ordinary malt and biscuits. You're very stupid.
It's not ordinary malt and biscuits. Lizzie.
If you touch me, I will slap you. Soma, Bia.
Lizzie.
Soma, come. I beg, give me my money, I beg.
Yeah, why? Where did you keep your conscience? Were you not here? Didn't you see what happened? Did she follow me to my house?
What it concern me and put in an agreement? What it concern me? I don't want to understand the agreement. Oga, I beg, give me my 625 naira, I beg. I beg.
So if I should count 625, 625 and give you collect. You will collect.
You know, sir, because of say you be my investment friend, you came friend. That made me the pity for you.
I be your investment friend, you're hooking me. Nene.
You are wrong.
Did she follow me to my house, Nene?
I did beat man.
No, don't leave me. I don't have money.
Soma, if I understood you correctly, because she refused to sleep with you after eating your money, that is why you don't want to pay, Nene? Is that what you're trying to say? Because Lizzie ate your money and refused to sleep with you or refused to follow you home. That is why you don't want to pay Nene. It's none of Nene's business. You have to pay that money.
I know. You're a man like me now. You should understand what I'm saying. Whenever I remember it, to pay the money that they had, it's too hard now. Just imagine paying for something you didn't eat. It's hard. But you see that girl, Lizzie? I matched the earth to lay this course. God will punish that girl. That girl will never see anything good. Osa will kill her.
God will not punish her. That's a very wrong prayer you are praying. How many times have I told you that you cannot use money to get every woman you see? Some women are different. Besides, I thought you had a girlfriend.
And so? No, and so? Person when eat egusi, is he not entitled to eat rice? No, I ask you, is he not entitled to eat rice? Men are polygamous in nature, my brother, and you know
it. See. Lies. Listen to me. Stop lying to justify your polygamous manhood. It is not in every man's nature to cheat. Let me tell you something, Soma. It is lack of self-respect, self-discipline that can make a man go and cheat on his partner. If you have respect for yourself, for your body, give your body only to one woman.
I beg, leave that in. Which one woman? Which one woman? Reverend Father, you are preaching to me. So my great-grandfather that married 10 wives, you are wiser than him? My grandfather that married 6, am I wiser than him?
How did they die?
No woman is enough for any man.
How did they die?
One woman is never enough. Let me just tell you. I know why you are saying this, you know. You are saying all this because you don't have money. And the woman in your life is the one taking care of you. Why will you not preach to me? Just wait. Just wait until you start making your own money. Then come back and tell me one woman is enough. Let me tell you something. Don't brag about morals. Don't brag about morals at all until you have enough money to fund your temptations. See how you are telling me. Let me tell you, poverty is the problem. In case you don't know, many things are hidden in poverty. You are talking like this because you are poor. Wait until you start making your own money.
Soma, are you done?
Because you have a woman that is taking care of you.
Are you done?
I'm done.
You were telling me about how your forefathers married 10 wives.
Yes.
How did they die?
It was their death was very peaceful.
How did they die?
It was very, very peaceful. I got them. My father gave me the history.
I want to give you the last warning. And take this very, very seriously. Stop telling me to my face that my woman pays my bills.
But that's the truth now.
Stop saying this before people will hear you.
That is the truth.
Soma, I'm not joking with you.
That is the truth. Truth is bitter. You are angry now. No, you are angry now. You are preaching to me.
That your father married 10 wives. How did they die?
I said they are dead.
You go and marry 10 wives.
I will, oh. I will. To God who made me, I will.
You just die like a fowl.
It's not true. I have enough money to take care of them. It's not true. What is your problem? Yes, so.
You have enough money.
I'm telling you now.
You have enough money and you cannot pay your bills.
You think I didn't have money?
You have enough money and you cannot pay them.
That day I had money. I had money. I
see.
I understand everything you have said, but I'm not a bank. Neither am I a financial institution that gives loan. But what I'm going to do is that I will introduce you to a firm that gives out loans to vendors like you. Though there is quite a long process attached to it, and I'm not sure you are willing to go through that route, owing to the fact that you sounded quite urgently in need of the money.
Okay, I need the money sharp. I beg. I need the money sharp.
How much are we even talking about? Let me know if it's something I can handle.
Okay, wait, 1.5 million.
1.5 million.
Yes.
That's a substantial amount. It's quite big, but I think I can handle it.
Okay, go give me the money.
Yeah, but I would like to know when and how you plan to pay back.
Okay, no, small thing now. The thing is, say if the interest not too much like this, I will give you the money the next 8 months.
If I get you correctly, if there is no interest at all, that means you can pay back before 8 months.
Of course, Oga. I go give you the money before 8 months. Mark my word, Oga. I will give you the money before 8 months.
Okay. I will give you the money.
Oga, thank you. Oga, God bless you. Oga, thank you.
But you have to sign some papers for me.
No be paper. I go sign that. If you want, I go sign that. No, give me a sign. I go sign now, Oga. I go sign now.
Okay. What's going to happen is that I will instruct my lawyer to draft an agreement.
Okay.
You will have to provide a surety to stand as a witness for you, while my lawyer stands as my own witness.
Okay, no vessel. This will be big. Surety. Who be surety?
A guarantor.
Okay, I don't understand what they talk.
Okay. What I mean be say, I need make you bring person. We go stand beside you. We go make me believe say you go fee pay, and then if you no fee pay, I go see person where I go fee.
That be Oga, that one no be problem. I be tested and trusted. Now they call me. People believe in me. Oga, I dey very hardworking. No worry, you don't even need to worry yourself. I go pay you the money. Sure.
Okay. I'll give you the money and leave you with my account number. I expect you to be dropping something at the end of every month in my account so that by the end of 8 months, you would have paid up.
Oga, Twale for you. You too much. Now you be the man of the year. Oga, no first. I just say very happy. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.
I actually enjoy helping young ladies who are hardworking and who are willing to earn honest living, make money legitimately.
Okay.
So, why not?
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
God bless you. Your company no go burn.
Amen.
Your company no go burn. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you. Make I begin to go now. Thank you.
How do you want to collect money? Okay, don't worry. I will come to your shop tomorrow with my lawyer and the money.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Quick. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Make I go.
Don't worry. Let me drop you off.
You
You won't drop me?
Yes, I've already closed.
Oga, you be better person.
No, it's nothing.
You be better person, no? Oga! Hey! God go bless you!
Let me find
Is that not Nene coming down from Dhaka?
She's the one. I was about asking you this same question. Who is the young man that brought her home in a car?
Mama, I don't know, but
Flashy car for that man.
that face and the car looks familiar. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where I met that man before. I've seen this face before, yes. Hey, Ikwe moto. Chai! Mama, wait, she's coming. Pretend. Packaging, she's coming.
Male, how far now?
Good evening.
Good evening, my beautiful daughter.
Welcome.
Hey!
Asa.
Now me una date. Since when?
I won't I greet my sister again.
I can see that you are trying to make me happy and to make me proud as well.
How? I don't understand. What's in the yarn?
The young rich man that just dropped it. You see? I can see that this is the kind of man you should bring home.
Odogu mama.
You bring this kind of person home. Ojia, look at the flashy car. Look at the young man. Not that kind of your
man.
lazy.
Maybe say every time they look for where we go to insult my investments. My fine bobo. Mama, person when no get today, will get tomorrow. If I not get time today, I go get time tomorrow. Mama, my investment go make calm. He can go make calm, mama. And if he make calm, he go shock two of you now. He will shock two of you people.
Nene, it will never be well with the person that did this to you.
Amen.
Adoja.
Amen.
Why are you doing this to yourself, Nene? Do you think you are still a little child? Don't you know you are coming of age? You are old enough to get married to a man. Look at your mates. They are all married. With their children. Why are you doing this?
Now why I get my ikem now?
Look at your mates. They are all married. They're all married with children, living well. But look at you. You are feeding a man, a lazy dude, a lazy food for that matter. Using your money to sponsor a man.
Mama, they look you at the verse. My mates, like you where you call them, my mates they mortuary. My mates they psychia. My mates they mad. My mates they burial ground. My mates no get sense, but they go do now. They go do sack. Mama, see, I get them not before mouth. See, they play the show, Mama. I be correct person, and I get correct investments. Oh, my fine bobo, you must make them. If you not make them, I know what it cost them. You see why men things they different. Man go see a young girl like this, train her from secondary school to university level. He patient, or not patience he gets. But when he reach woman own, our own things they different. So what is there wrong when we say woman go see man, he want train am? What is there wrong with that?
What are you even saying? That's just they talk, they enter your mouth, they flow, they go and they go. What are you saying? Oh, so now you are comparing yourself with men. Stop comparing yourself with men because what favor men cannot favor women.
Yeah, bless me, you don't talk too much, Abi.
I
go follow you up.
Follow me up.
I go follow you up.
Now where I dey?
I don't even know why they even talk to
Here
you.
you get power.
Okay, now yeah, I get power. I no go beat you. You know why I no go beat you? Because I know say I guess one fine bobo, my investment. But which one you get? Which one you get? You no get one boyfriend, they follow me, they talk.
I don't want get.
You no one get, Abi? Because you no go ever forget. You no fit ever get the kind person where I get. Ikem na man, no dogun woke kaobo. Which one you get?
Fine man, no money. See, even if I want to get boyfriend, I will never in my life get somebody like
You
Ikem.
will never ever get somebody like Ikem because Ikem is a man.
Lazy man.
Thank you.
No
but
work.
my man will get future.
Which future?
Man tell you the kind of person go come for you. You know those mpa, old pale. We don't marry 20 wives. Now you go be the 19th wife.
It's you.
Now you go be 19th
Back
wife.
to sender.
No worry.
Back to sender.
I don't go touch you. I return that to you.
Back to you.
I return that to you.
Back to
I
you.
return that
Mama,
to you.
talk to her. Mama, call her now.
Stop.
Fine man, no money.
I just my daughter to the
Back to sender. Carry all your money, go give him. Fine man, no money. This girl will disgrace us in this village, oh.
Beep, my baby. Oh, hi, yala baby.
It's okay, Mama.
My hi, you go big.
It's okay. Nge I'm here to put there your BP. Nge bude. It's okay. Calm down. People go there and first.
I thought she has repented, though.
Hi!
I saw that flashy car with a rich man. I was so happy. And she has decided to make a use
I
of
must
it.
make you sure that he is a man, no matter what he go cost.
Because I know say two of una get me for mind. Una want something where they better for me. That's why I no call that big nose, that lazy girl. Because I know say she no like anything way good for me. You get waiting they disturb me. That's why I say I need una to advice. Make una advise me.
Nene, you've not been this serious all your life. You're beginning to scare me. What is it?
What is it? You get one man where I borrow me 1.5 million naira. You don't see 1 million before? You don't see it before? I borrow the money, say I want use and take put for my business. Now my first plan be that too. But when I can't talk to Ikem, he can't advise me, say make I give him the money. Say make him use and go the abroad. Say if he come back, okay, he go carry plenty money, come back. And you know say dollar rates don't high now. He can't talk say if I give him that 1.5 million, you know go do, but wetin I plan be say I get small money, I get money for my account. I'll come add the money, make him use them go. So that he go see money when he go take, he go see money when he go take fit chop something before he go come make him. You understand? I love him well though. I love him. And he can even tell me say in the next 1 month, if he go bring big money, come carry me go there. And he also tell me say, what he even talk that himself? He tell me say $1,000 na 1 million. Go. So I say I can't call on her too, say make una advise me and pray for me for this matter.
You dey crazy. Don't tell me you're thinking of doing that.
Now what thing I go do now? I go give her the money plus the one way there for my account, make it take go the abroad now. I just need una prayers, that's all. Una advice and prayers.
And you believe him? You think abroad is a money planet where people plug money from the trees? Don't go and put yourself in trouble.
Nene. How many times did I call you?
Why you dey call me my mama? Why you dey call me like that?
Nene, stop police correct too. Abroad is nowhere you just go, you pick money today and tomorrow. It's not easy anywhere. Our advice, you get the money and put it in your business, period. Ha! I don't know this one you want to go and invest it in a man, no.
See, make I just tell you, I don't like the way they embarrass my Ikem. They too they embarrass him, and it shame too they cash him. So I want me that shame and embarrassment stop today. I won't make it stop. I won't make it see. I believe so much in that my bobo. That's my investment. I know say if he go the abroad, he go make him, and if he make him, he say in the next 1 month you carry me, I go there and he go make plenty money. So the only thing what I need to do. Now say make una pray and advise me. I know say money no easy for that side, the abroad no easy. But I know say if he go there, he go make up. So more advise me and pray for me. Finish.
Nene, when you called us here, you said you want our advice, right? But it's obvious you don't need it since you've made up your mind that you're giving it to him. So what's the prayer all about?
When I call una, no make una advise him. But bless I don't need that advice again. I just need una prayers. More pray for me.
So if you have made up your mind to take Ikema abroad, why did you call us for this meeting?
Shut up your mouth. That's why you wear clothes with here. You can never ever make money in this life. Which one be pray for me? Now it's like one more, just pray for me. No, okay, no advise me again. Just pray for me.
Hi. Carry that money, invest in your business. So I know why I'm saying this. So
you go pray for me, I be no go pray for me.
Who pray for you?
Make una pray for me.
Mama, Mama, you have to stop Nene from this terrible mistake she's about to make.
What is it? What mistake are you talking about?
Mama, I overheard Nene telling her friends that she wants to send Ikem abroad.
Yeah. Then you took that serious. Who is giving her the money? Where does she have the money to send anybody abroad?
See, Mama, this is not a laughing matter at all. This is not a laughing matter. I overheard her telling her friends that a certain man wants to loan her 1.5 million naira. And she add up with the one she has in her bank account.
Wait. You are serious about what you're saying?
I'm
Are you
very
sure what
serious,
you're
Mama.
saying?
I'm very, very serious.
Nene wants to use our family business to collect loan.
You heard me.
And send that efulefu to abroad.
Mama, you heard me very well.
Okay. Liliana Garden, my life. It will never happen. It will not. Then who will pay back the loan?
I don't know.
So she will use the family business and pay back the loan. Then cripple the shop will go back to zero level. To fear.
Mama, that's why you need to do something now. Stop her now.
I think it's about time I reminded Nene that shop was handed over to her to sponsor the wife of this family. Not to sponsor one efulefu to abroad. Where is she?
She's at the backyard. I overheard Soplu and Choma telling her not to do that. It's not good, but she said she has made up her mind to send Ikem abroad.
Okay, that her mind will be on me. Nana? Please don't go far. You have a family meeting.
Since when?
Today.
Since now.
It's beginning today.
Mama, no expect me early. I won't go spend time with my investments.
If you like, go and spend time with your investment or no investment. If you like, come back by midnight. We have family meeting. Oh yes, and very important.
Yes.
Sure, and family meeting. Since when I start this? When I leave, I know get time.
Okay.
Okay. Mama, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If you like, you don't come back. You come back and meet us here. Mama, you see, I told you.
Don't worry.
I told you.
Come on. That her mind that she has made up, I will mind that.
Ken. Get wetin I want make we talk about. And I want make you think about well.
What is it?
The man we wan borrow me money don't agree say he go give me the money. Say he go come my shop tomorrow make we sign papers with him lawyer. So
Are you serious?
yes. So wetin I wan ask you. I wan make you answer me, please.
What is it? Just ask me.
If I give you this money now, you go make am.
Nene, what are you talking about now? What kind of question are you asking me?
I just want to know whether if I give you this money, travel abroad, whether you go make am.
Don't you believe in me? Don't you trust me?
It's my life.
All those people that traveled abroad, all those people that made it abroad, do they have two heads? Are they not human beings like me?
Then be human being now. I just see
I don't want to make anybody laugh me for this village. They don't too laugh
Stop
me.
saying this now. Listen, once I travel, just believe in me. Once I travel, it's over. How much is the loan? We'll pay it now. We'll pay it in 4 weeks. And don't forget, $1,000 is equal to ₦1,000,000 or more.
Wait. You dey try tell me now, say $1,000.
Yes.
Nah, equals to 1 million naira for Nigeria.
1 million plus. So if I work for 4 weeks, take for instance, I travel. I work for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. How much is the money he gave you? We'll pay back the money now.
You mean now?
Yes. Yes.
Why is I'm not supposed to worry like that?
That's what I'm telling you, to calm down.
Okay.
Listen to me. Once I travel and I begin to work, in 4 weeks, I'll pay back the loan. After that, I'll come to Nigeria. We get married. I pay for your ticket. I pay for your visa. We travel.
You don't finish now.
That is it.
So, okay. Hey, God, this one sweet. You get as it do me for.
But that's the truth.
Okay. What thing will happen? We say. You go follow me go my shop tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll come sign the papers. You come follow me go bank. I'll come transfer the money to your account.
I love you so much.
Hey, oh, you be my investment.
I come to invest money. School of fixing me. You can go chop everything.
Nene, what is it now? Nene, why are you doing this to me? God has blessed us. God has answered our prayers. My visa is ready. I'm ready to travel and you're crying. Okay. God is about to change our lives.
Tomorrow now, you go Lagos. From Lagos, you go travel go Obodo Ibo. I go miss you well. Only me go there for this wicked village.
Oh, Nene, I'm coming back now. Nene, I am coming back. But you've not been listening to all I have been saying. I'm going there to work. There's an opportunity for me to work. If I work for 4 weeks, I'll change our lives. Don't forget, $1,000 is equal to ₦1,000,000 or even more. That should be your motivation. Please. What?
I beg. Don't follow white woman. I don't to suffer for you. Even the person who I collect money borrow from, I don't know as I go take pay her back. He can be my investment. You be my pension. You be my retirement plan.
Nene, it's okay.
If anything happen to me, I will die.
Nene, stop now. You're trying to get me emotional. You're trying to make me feel bad.
I beg, no abandon me.
Stop this thing now. I want you to be positive. Do you understand? Don't be negative. Be positive. See this as an opportunity for us to excel. Please, listen to me. I'll never disappoint you. Okay? I promise you I'll never disappoint you. I'm going to work. The money is good. This is an opportunity for us to excel. I want you to be optimistic. See this as an opportunity for us. Our lives will change. Don't you understand?
Just not forget.
I will never disappoint you. I promise you, I cross my heart. I'll never disappoint you.
And my last card, I take Sendin won't go abroad.
I'll pay the loan back. Just have faith in me, trust in me. I'll never disappoint you. And stop talking about white women. I'm going there to work. I am going there to work. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Smile for me.
I don't want smile.
Wait now.
Stop. Don't hug me.
Wait now. Take it easy now. Okay. Wait. Smile for me. If you love me, smile for me. Oh yeah, come. It's okay. I'm coming back.
No, they don't hug me.
It's okay. Sorry.
Nana, this one you're like this. What is the problem?
Is it bad market? Don't worry now. Tomorrow you will sell.
Nana, what is happening? What is the problem?
Did somebody die?
She's still frowning. Nene, what is it?
Did somebody die?
I did miss Sam.
Missing who?
My investment now. He came.
Is that why you're frowning? And when you close for the day now, you go and see him. It's not something you should be frowning for now.
He came, don't go Obodo Oyibo.
What? My crush traveled abroad.
What do you talk?
No, I mean your boyfriend. He traveled abroad. When? When did that happen?
He traveled this morning.
Hey! Oh my God, he traveled abroad. Hey. Nene, so you finally sent Ikem to abroad. You finally cleared your account and the loan you collected. Why are you telling me to shut up? You didn't even invest 1% in your shop and you packed everything and sent Ikem abroad. Okay.
They tell you say they miss person, they tell me say the old person. Federal government not the old person. Federal government the old people. I beg no add salt for my wound, I beg.
Nene, the only problem you have is that you're very stubborn. Once you made up your mind on something, you don't listen to voice of reasoning. Just pray that God provide money for you to pay up this loan.
Why are you come?
And Ikem doesn't forget you.
Wait. I want to understand something. Did Nene sponsor Ikem's trip abroad? Yes.
Why you just shout now?
Are you serious? Nene, thank you. Thank you for doing something good for a man of this community. What? But why are you girls criticizing her genuine action? Why?
Tell her, ask them.
Did you say genuine action?
Yes.
She took a loan and even emptied her life savings.
Okay, and so? Oh God. Is that your business? She will reap what she sow. She just did a lifetime investment. Really? She will get her ROI very soon. Hey!
Chalukwa. Listen, you know say you two they speak English. Which one be ROI?
Return of investment. It is the proceed you get when you invest in a business or project. Hey! Relax, you will get your ROI very soon.
You see her? See Lizzie, why I look down on. You don't see her? See, since I know you, Lizzie, this is not the first time where you don't make sense.
Oh, that's a polite insult, no problem.
It's not true. You see her? In fact, I go give you one chewing gum. Make you chop them because you two they talk so that you go close your mouth small. Hey, now you talk with him makes sense.
Oh, you're going to give her one chewing gum. Yes, and you will not give us because we're telling you the truth, right? If you want chewing gum, buy. Hey!
Madam Nene, abeg, give me Donchester or Benson. Which one will you get?
Jabi, I don't tell you make you know they smoke. Make you know they smoke too much. Make us.
Abeg, leave that thing. I book you for front, not there. Abeg, son too much. Man, I know that go enter one corner, just go there.
Person where do this thing don't die.
Abeg, that booking man for that side, not there. Abeg.
Because of this thing, I go give you one pure water, make una share.
I tell you say water they hungry.
Water they hungry you because you need to drink water.
Abeg.
Alex, shut up. Make I come. Lizzie, you don't become my friend now. Wetin happen?
Abeg, come off for road, Jare. Come off for road, make I pass.
I don't say make you say.
I tell you say my
It's not Arugini. ROI. Return of investment.
Everything na me. My friends come they ask me say, Jay, now wetin you dey use money do?
Mama, now you are the confine now.
Yes. I hope all is well.
Oh no, they well. Oh.
Wetin happen?
Abeg, Soma, tell me true. Say my investment, they call you. Now don't talk for phone.
I think I don't tell you this thing before now. If they call me, why I go hide them from you?
Since my friend traveled to abroad, no call, no message. I never hear anything from him. I just pray say my friend is fine, no. What with that? Any problem?
Problem dey o. The man wey I borrow money from take sponsor am abroad. The man don dey look for me up and down say him go arrest me if I no pay am the money, and he came promise me say if he travel him go send me money make I settle the man. Now it's almost 1 year and
Wait.
I sell everything. I no get anything for my shop. The man say he go lock my shop.
Nene, wait. Oh. You borrow money from person, take sponsor and go abroad.
Yes.
And the person, they find you now to arrest you.
Yes.
You see him? Nene, you see him? You see him? Hey. Ordinary 625 naira where they owe you. Nene, I know waiting I see for your hand. You almost killed me. The cloth I wear that day, you tear them now. Don't can I go give Taylor? Woo! Now your turn to face waiting I face. And they always tell people, this life na fun oh, it they rotate. Onyendeba. If they come back, I pity you. You, Nene, you almost killed me. Ordinary sick. Make I dey go. If I see that man, I will tell her where you dey. I go tell her make her catch you. You dey craze. Onyendeba. If I reach, I go tell the man where you dey. You dey do me sorry face, make I pity you. You never see anything. Ordinary 625. This woman, you almost killed me. May God help you. Make I see that man for road.
God. God, which kind did I do like this, eh? Hey, people want me. My friends want me, eh? And I'll go borrow money now. I don't know if I go take pay. And he came saying, go call me. He never called me. Why do this guy mistake? This life no balance at all. You know, balance. They tell me saying he came go be my problem for this life. I don't believe.
You tell me say $1,000 now 1 million naira.
Mama, you need to see that our shop now. Like, there is nothing in that shop again. That shop is almost empty. Nene has succeeded in ruining our family business, Mama. And she's yet to pay the loan she collected from that man. A loan she did not even invest 1% of it in that business. Mama, I don't know what we are going to do again. I don't know.
Nene has killed me. Nene has killed me. That shop has been the backbone of this family.
Exactly.
That business funds 50% of the expenses we make in this house. How are we going to survive? Nene, how are we going to survive this that you have done to me? I want your sister. I want her not to use the family business money to send that her good-for-nothing boyfriend abroad. But she wouldn't listen to me. She told me I should relax. She tried to convince me. She tried to buy me into the whole thing. That $1,000 is 1 million naira. Now, where is the $1,000? Where is the 1 million naira? Where?
Mama, we are here talking about $1,000 and 1 million naira. When Ikem has not called her even for 1 day. Mama, it's obvious Ikem has married a white woman over there. Yes. Mama, Nene was fooled by that young man. Ikem duped her with his sweet words. Mama, it's obvious Ikem is enjoying over there.
And we're here thinking on how to survive. Where are we going to start again?
Chinenye.
How?
Sometimes I feel like laying curse on Nene. I feel like laying curse on her, but that would worsen her stupidity. What causes more than her current thinking? The whole thing is that I think the fault is from me. I regretted handing over that family business to her. If I had known that this is how Nene is going to turn out, I would have managed that business. I would have managed that business myself. Yes. Your father will be so disappointed in us in his grave.
Stop. Even Papa will understand that we tried our best. We tried all our best to stop her, to convince her from sending that guy abroad. But she refused. It's okay.
How are we going to survive now?
We will survive,
How
Mama.
are we going to survive?
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
Like this one, I see me so. Like this one, I see me so. Now jail be my second name. See, the man where I borrow money from, they send my ikem to abroad. The man they find me up and down. He won't arrest me. And like this, I never see shishi to give her. I don't try see when I look my shop, now nothing there for you. They full before. Because I don't try to see if I go fit sell one or two things to at least give him quarter of the money. But he not still rich. He never even rich at all. And he came promise me say if he travel in the next 4 weeks, he go give me $1,000 because he tell me say $1,000 now equal to 1 million naira. I don't know what I want to do. I want to do this. He don't reach 1 year now. I never see money fee pay this man. Eh? I never see fee and the man don't try. Now 13 months be this. Now 13 months be this what we did so. The man don't try for me. Don't they come? I know they feed them pick him call. And which kind thing I do like this? Which kind thing? I don't want to begin come they regret what I do.
Nene. It's not something you should be crying. Maybe you can meet the man. You people will negotiate another. Maybe renegotiate.
What's now with the one renegotiate with the man? The man talk say we sign agreement. I sign something. Say I go give her the money in the next 8 months. This man don't leave me run. I don't know what I put my hand to. I don't know what I do.
I warned you.
But we warned you. We warned you not to take this risk, but you wouldn't listen.
Stop this, I warned you. She did not do anything bad. Sponsoring he came abroad. It's not bad. She did it for love.
No, love me this one.
This one don't pass love, that's stupidity. Are they stupid? Are they very stupid? No person for a clear I go do what I do. I just want make things better for us. That what it made me do. I'm empty my account. Come borrow money, say man go abroad. And the thing they pay me, like say,
hey, Jesus, take him outside. Take him outside.
Where is Nana?
Good afternoon, sir. She's not around. She went somewhere.
And why would she leave her shop for you girls?
Okay, calm down now. What is your problem? She know there, be say she know there. Did you see her there? I beg, what is it? You're just shouting. The sun is too much. What is it?
Please, I don't mind her. We are friends. If there's any message, you can pass it to us. We'll tell her, please.
Now listen to me. Tell Nene that Hillary was here.
Okay.
Tell her that I am very, very angry at her. I want to start receiving the loan payment that I gave to her. I want to start getting alerts. Tell her to remember that we signed an agreement. The next time I'm coming back here, I am coming with the police.
Huh?
Oga, it has not gotten to
I mean every word I said.
We'll tell her when she come back, she will pay you. It has not gotten to that, sir.
Yes. You see, this is exactly the same thing that she keeps telling me. And I am tired of hearing that. I'm tired of hearing she will give you, she will give you. I need my money. I gave Nene this money simply because I saw her as a young lady who is struggling to make a living legitimately. Now I am regretting everything. I'm regretting everything. What is all this? To think of it, she's not even picking my calls anymore.
Yes, she said you threatened to jail her and lock up her shop. And I think she's afraid. She might have made up her mind to pick your call when the money is ready, sir.
That's exactly what I'm going to do to her. I will accomplish my threats. If she doesn't pay me my money by this month end, I will send her to jail. Trust me, she will get to jail. Tell her I said so.
Sir, we have heard you. The son is too much for this kind of English. Prison uniform will fit Nene.
My friend, shut up.
Instead of you to be begging on your friend's behalf, you're here putting fire.
Is shouting.
Nene,
Where are you going to?
Where are you going to?
Where? I don't they go. I don't know where
where?
they go. See that man where they owe money. He dey pursue me up and now he won't arrest me. I don't drop key to shop for my table. Just want to handle everything. Mama, I don't dey go.
You are still my daughter. Don't want to
Where are you going to? Julia, stop, Papa,
You say you go make money, come back we go ball. You tell me borrow money, say you go pay me back. You tell me to send you to Obodo Ibo, but today you die. I don't find you tired. Where you die?
Where you dey go? Where are you going to?
Oga, I dey go where I want go sleep.
By this time?
And this time I tell you.
That bag.
This bag?
Nothing
there for the bag. Oh.
You say anything?
Nothing.
How you miss?
Understand. I thought I gave you some chicken to add.
Oh, madam, yes, the chicken. You know, see, as you give me the 2 big fish. Now I can't see if I put this chicken now, it go too much for the pot. And you know, say the economic situation of this country bad. So I can't drop the chicken for freezer. Can't prepare am with the fish. And you tell me say you like head. Now make me put them for you. Are you mad? Jesus! 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 Hey!
What is wrong with you?